Good morning, students. So today we will discuss this bits and bytes. Okay. So these are the unit of computer memory where we store our data. Okay. So see, the size of the computer memory is normally measured in KB. Okay, kilobytes, watt, or megabytes or gigabytes. Okay. See, this is the thing. Open your book and you will see the smallest unit of computer memory is known as bit. Okay, and after that it is what it is calculated on the basis of this chart. Okay, one bit is a single binary digit that can have a value of 0 or 1. Okay, is a single binary digit, that is what your 1 bit. Okay, the unit of measuring memory of a computer is called a byte. Okay, 1 byte is made up of 8 bits. See, 8 bits equal to 1 byte. Okay, half a byte consists of 4 bits, also known as nibble. हाफ बाइट 8 बिट का हाफ कितना होगा, 8 बिटर हाफ हो गया 4 इक्वल टू 1 नेबल. Kilobytes and megabytes are higher units of measuring memory. Okay, so students, this chart you will read this chart. Okay, this chart is very important. Okay, this particular chart, it is very important. Okay, so you will learn this chart. Now see, 4 bits equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits 1 byte, 1024 bytes 1 KB, 1024 KB 1 MB, 1024 MB is 1 GB, 1024 GB 1 TB, 1024 TB 1 petabyte, 1024 PB 1 exabyte, 1024 EB 1 zettabyte, 1024 zettabyte equal to 1 yottabyte. So you have to learn this table. Okay, now we have come to our second part, that is your secondary memory. What is secondary memory? See, these are the examples of secondary memory. Secondary memory are those memories where you can a user, listen students, একটা ইউজারে নিজের ডাটা রাখতে যেখানে পারবো ওইটার ইজ সেকেন্ডারি মেমোরি কল. ঠিক আছে? So see, secondary memory is usually called secondary storage. The device that actually holds the data or reads data from it is known as the storage medium. ঠিক আছে? The device that actually holds the data or reads data from it is known as storage medium. Now, what are the examples? See, hard disk, floppy disk, compact disk, digital versatile disk, that is DVD. Okay, and pen drive are some examples of secondary storage media. Okay, each of these have different storage capacity. CD has a storage capacity, hard drive is a have also a storage capacity. There is a limit. Okay, it ranges DVD and pen drive. Okay, now see, write P against primary and secondary, S against secondary. So what is pen drive? Pen drive is secondary, so you will write S here. Okay, CD is also secondary, S. RAM is primary, P. DVD is secondary memory. See, DVD comes under secondary memory, you will write S. Hard disk secondary memory, ROM secondary memory. Okay, you will write here what? No, ROM is primary memory, sorry, P. Now see this diagram. See, this is of what? Classification of memory. Okay, so see, first computer memory, then computer memory is again subdivided into two parts, that is primary memory and secondary memory. And secondary memory is subdivided it again two parts. See, what is this? It is RAM, it is ROM. Then secondary memory আন্ডারে কি আছে? ফ্লপি, হার্ড ডিস্ক, এক্সটার্নাল ডিস্ক, সিডি, ডিভিডি, পেন ড্রাইভ. ঠিক আছে, এখন দেখো সেকেন্ডারি স্টোরেজ মিডিয়া. নাও সি, দেয়ার আর 3 টাইপস অফ সেকেন্ডারি স্টোরেজ মিডিয়া. See, categories of secondary storage media is one, what? Magnetic storage media. Hard disks I think comes under magnetic storage media. Optical storage media, I think CD, DVD. And solid state media storage is another thing. Okay, now we will discuss about this magnetic storage media. See, magnetic storage media and devices store data in the form of teeny magnetized dots. Okay, these magnetized dots, magnetize মানে কি? ম্যাগনেটাইজ যেটা মানে ম্যাগনেটে অ্যাট্রাক্ট করতে পারবো, বা যেটা মানে ম্যাগনেটে অ্যাট্রাকশনে আইয়া ম্যাগনেটাইজ হইব, মানে কি ম্যাগনেটই হয়েছে. একটা লোহার মধ্যে যদি তুমি চুম্বকটারে বারে বারে ঘষাইতে থাকো, দেখবে লোহাটাও এক টাইমে চুম্বক হয়ে যায়. সো These are known as this procedure is known as magnetizing. Okay, now see, magnetic storage media device store data in the form of tiny magnetizer. These include what? Floppy disk. Both आगे use हुई तो এখন floppy use होना होता. A floppy disk is a circular piece of plastic coated with magnetic material and protected by a hard plastic cover. So this is the definition of floppy disk. Okay, now see, the size of the floppy disk is measured in inches and it is usually 3.5 inches wide. Okay, each floppy disk can store only 1.44 MB data. See, একটা photo এখন মনে 1.44 MB হয় না. Nowadays a photo comes in size also 5 MB, but what in other earlier days each floppies were used to carry documents. Okay, each floppy disk can store only 1.44 MB data. Okay, and these are the dimensions given. 3.5 inches wide মানে 3.5 inches চওড়া width. Okay, floppy disks have become obsolete now. Obsolete মানে কি এখনো ইউজ হয় না, আর মানে বিলুপ্ত হয়ে গেছে. These have been replaced with higher capacity storage such as CD, DVD and pen drives. You know that use modern technology. Okay, CD and DVD are both circular in shape. However, a DVD has much higher storage capacity than a CD. Okay, pen drives are much smaller in size with several times higher storage capacity than a DVD and are available in what? Various shapes. Okay, now we will study about hard disk. Okay, every computer has a hard disk. So there are two types of hard disks. One is internal hard disk. See, this is a internal hard disk that is inside your CPU box. Okay, and this is portable or external hard disks that you can use externally by using USB cable. Okay, see, a hard disk is a circular metal disk coated with magnetic material. See, I have already told na. See, this is a circular coated disk. It is coated with what? Magnetic material and usually sealed in a hard disk drive inside the computer. So it is sealed. Okay, you will not find it like this. Data speed is very fast and data is stored on hard disks can be accessed much quickly than data stored on a floppy disk. So hard disk is what faster than your floppy disk. Okay, বহুত তাড়াতাড়ি read write করা যায় hard disk. Hard disk থেকে data. Okay, now see, hard disks are very large storage capacity up to 1 terabyte. এখন hard disks 1 terabyte এ পাওয়া যায়. Most probably 1 terabyte, 1 TB, 2 TB hard disks, and it costs around 5 to 6,000 rupees. Okay, now see, hard disks are of two types, fixed and portable. See, I have told that internal and external. It can also be told as what? Fixed or portable. Fixed hard drive. Fixed hard drives are those hard drives that are inside the computer. A hard drive built into the case of a computer is known as fixed. Okay, almost every computer has a fixed hard drive. Every computer needs a secondary memory, and that secondary memory is what? Your hard drive. Okay, means main secondary memory. Now portable hard drive. Okay, or hard disk. A portable hard disk, also called external hard disk, is one that is placed in a small case. See, this is a case and it is placed in addition to the fixed hard disk and can be taken from one place to another easily. See, this can be taken from one place to another easily. You can carry it in your pocket, but this is attached to your computer system. You cannot carry your desktop in a pocket. So that's why it is termed as portable. Okay, portable hard disk allow very large amount of data to be what? Transported from one computer to another. Okay, portable hard disks allow very large computer or very large amount of data. See, you can carry large amount of data. See, 1 terabyte data you can carry from one place to another, but within this it is very tough. Okay, hard disks allow very large amount of data to be transmitted from one computer to another. See, fixed hard drive act as main backup storage device for almost all computers. See, this you can create a backup of this in this. Okay, so your data, some important data, you can create backup. So if this fails, you can work on this, or sometimes backup are also created in this. Okay, so it is here mentioned. See, fixed hard drives act as the main backup storage device for almost all computers. Backup can also be stored here. Okay, so students, we come into this topic, and next class I will be explaining optical storage media. Okay, thank you.